Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. Let's start. Run, Ram, run very fast. Swim, Ritu can swim well. Go, Syam went to school every day. Write, I wrote a letter to my father. Tree, this is a mango tree. Walk, Ram walks fast. Teach, he is teaching mathematics. He is teaching mathematics. Pass, I will pass the test this time. See, we have seen the jaguar. Aim, Rishi aims to be a teacher. Watch, they watch movies. Talk, the baby talks well. Good, Rahul is a good singer. Arrive, Ria arrived at the mall. Ria arrived at the mall. Read, he is reading a book. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.